Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way to get new Temu users. Now, I'll be showing you guys in this video step by step on how you can actually get new Temu users very easily. So let's go ahead and get right into that here. Now, basically, you're going to want to create a free account with Temu. Now, you can actually do that by logging in with an email or signing up with a Google account. Now, once you've done that, head over to the U page and you're going to want to head over to earn credits and free gifts. Now, if you're not already a part of the affiliate program here on Temu, then you can actually go to the sixth option here and register for the cash affiliate program. Now, you could do the cash reward or redeem cash. Those ones seem to pay out the most, but if you want, you could do the cash affiliate program as well. And this one does pay really well. It pays $5 per download reward, and you do get up to 20% commission on every order. So if a person were to order like $100 worth of stuff, you would get about maybe I say like 20 bucks, 25 bucks around there, somewhere around there. Basically, essentially, it does work really well. You can actually make a lot of money with this. Now, basically, I'll show you guys an easy way to get new Temu users. So all you have to do is just go ahead and make videos about Temu. Now, you can see here, there are plenty of people making videos about Temu, and you can see here, it's just so many videos. And if you have a huge audience and all of your viewers actually download Temu, you can actually make a lot of money. So with one of these videos, they got 28,000 likes. So let's say for every like, a person has actually went ahead and registered. So here you can see, I'm gonna go back to Temu affiliate program and 5 for every download. So let's say 1,000 people downloaded Temu, you'd have about like $5,000. So that's absolutely insane. It really is a lot of money. So you can actually go ahead and make a lot of money with Temu that way. Now, if you don't want to really, create a TikTok account, you can actually use phones around your house. Now, here you can see on my camera roll that these are actually phones that I've actually used to register Temu accounts. And really, you could actually rinse and repeat. Temu doesn't really look after your IP address and see whether they're linked to one phone. They don't really check any of that, but they do check the device IDs. So if you have a phone that hasn't registered a new Temu account, you could actually use that phone to register a Temu account with your referral code, and that will still count as a referral. So basically, you can actually use all of your old phones and stuff to actually register new accounts, and basically just rinse and repeat. Use your grandma's phone, mom's phone, dad's phone, dog's phone, monkey's phone, gorilla's phone. I don't even know. Just use someone's phone, right? And you could actually get new Temu users that way. So if you found the video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and have a nice day, everybody. I will see you guys until next time.